How to make money with NFTs, a profit guaranteed guide. How do you sell NFT and possibly earn money? We guide you through with our easy to follow steps, ideas, and examples. Make sure to watch till the end to find out. If you are actively involved in social media, news, art, or gaming, you have obviously heard about NFT, blockchain, and crypto. Or, if you haven't heard about it, then let's start to educate you. NFT stands for non-fungible token. That means it is a unique and individual asset that can't be replaced. In this video, we are going to talk about how to own NFT and how to make a big profit out of selling NFT. Welcome, and thank you for watching a new video from NFT Rewind. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update about NFT, metaverses, awesome projects, or other crypto-related news, tech, gems, businesses, and many more. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. Why does NFT have value? You may hear about the Beeple everydays, the first 5,000 days, one of the biggest NFTs sold in 2021. The reason why I am talking about this particular piece is because it is one that got viral on social media, and many people learn about NFT by this digital art. So most of you may wonder why on this earth you're going to pay $69,346,250 or 38,525 ETH for a picture that you could save by right-clicking on the mouse. But it is not the same thing. For understanding NFTs, you have to understand that saving an image does not give you ownership or an authenticity certificate. But when something is sold as an NFT, it acts as a digital certificate of ownership. So when you own an NFT, you have individual ownership. It's all stored and monitored by blockchain. At the end of 2021, the market cap of NFT reached $41 billion. Shocking, right? You would be shocked to know other big NFT trends. But the question is, why do you need to know about NFT trends? Because it is going to be the next big thing on Web 3.0. Now, let's start to talk about some NFT projects. It has been all the rage in 2021. Let's see the Bored Ape Yacht Club, who has nearly 1 billion sales volume in 6 months. It is not shocking after that developer starts with many new pet projects. We all could see Metal Legend with massive followers. The art on this project looks stunning. They have well designed a futuristic avatar. They launched on the Ethereum blockchain. The next project I'm going to talk about is the Mystic Girls Club. This project is totally led by women. If you are an anime fan, this illustration is just for you. They have done pretty good work, and that character looks really good. Now let's talk about VeeFriends, led by a famous entrepreneur. Their market cap is worth 164,249.19 ETH. There are a total of 10,255 NFTs minted and held by 5,169 unique owners, with a total market cap of $529,347,720.78. The top options on how to make money. 1. Make your own NFT. Don't worry if you sell your NFT for a few thousand or maybe even millions. We at NFT Rewind know this isn't crazy. We saw a lot of art getting sold for weird amounts like Beeple did with the first 5,000 days, $69,346,250 US. It is all possible if you create something which is unique and your own style. We see a lot of copycats, but that's not something you make a name with anymore. More and more people are searching for that specific unique type of NFT. Whenever you're ready and find something you like to create, then decide what you like to use for toolings. There are many awesome programs ready to use for creating your own NFT. For example, Photoshop, Blender, Unreal Engine, After Effects, you name it. Then you have to decide on which blockchain you'd like to sell your art, music, or movies. It could be Ethereum, Solana, Engine, Cardano, or maybe even the upcoming Rapids RPDX chain. Most people like to sell their form of art on the Ethereum blockchain and use a marketplace like Opensea, for example. This marketplace allows you to mint your own NFT, creating it and deploying it to the blockchain. Once you have decided which blockchain and marketplace, make sure to have your wallet including some funds ready to pay for the platform and gas fees. Some great wallets we suggest are MetaMask, Math Wallet, Alpha Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Although there is a lot of money to earn creating NFTs, it isn't guaranteed that you sell all your NFTs. 2. NFT in video games. The possibilities with the technique of NFTs seem to be limitless. For example, NFT Rewind sees the use of NFTs increasing in the metaverse, but also various games that use them. Axie Infinity is a game that responds to this. By buying an NFT, you can use it to battle against other players. You can then earn points with this, which in turn can lead to obtaining a new NFT in the form of an Axie character. You can also breed your characters to get a new NFT. Breeding your characters can create a new character, a non-existent or a rare breed. You can use this new character again to battle or earn items. Of course, you are free to sell these via the marketplace. In addition to Axie Infinity, there are various other types of games such as CryptoKitties, Alien World, and Illuvium. In addition, there are games where you could start with a free character and let them battle. By then winning battles, you earn items and you can also sell these. This is according to the earn-to-play principle. However, you earn considerably less with this than buying a character and then building your playing experience there. 3. Rent out NFT. We also see a new trend emerging with NFTs, and that is lending your purchased NFT or borrowing an NFT. For example, in a game like Axie, you could lend your NFT. For this, you set a price and the tenant pays this price. Conversely, you can borrow an NFT for a fee, and by using that NFT, you could unlock new items that can give you more. If you ask me, it's a cool development and I already see a lot of new possibilities emerging. Do you remember in one of our videos we talked about a plot country in Decentraland where they put up a billboard to earn an income? How about if you buy a piece of land in an interesting place and you could rent this piece of land to host an event, or by doing something exclusive with that billboard? We think we are still at the beginning of the many possibilities, especially when it comes to combining real-world items with an NFT contract. 4. Collect and flip valuable digital assets. What does flipping mean? Flipping NFTs briefly involves buying an item for a low price and then selling it again for a higher price. Usually the term is used when people buy something within a considerably short period of time and can immediately resell it, for example, in a maximum of a few days. To flip something is often of value. Let NFTs have just that value that makes it interesting to buy low and sell for more. Think of it as day trading a coin or token. However, flipping NFTs is even riskier than trading tokens or coins. Where with traditional trading you are only tied to the declining value of the currency against BTC. For example, NFTs have more factors. So you have the floor price, project interest, trading volume, BTC or ETH price, and backpulls.
Oh my god! Wow!
But flipping the right way can give your portfolio a significant boost. At NFT Rewind, for example, we regularly see updates where people mint an NFT for $800 and can flip it after a week for $15,000. Not bad, right? But I hear you saying, well, where am I able to buy, sell, flip, or rent out these NFTs? Don't worry, we have been there as well. The biggest marketplaces for NFT are Opensea, Axie Infinity, Rarible, and Foundation. But of course, there are a lot of different platforms that deal with it. Although Opensea is the leading platform for NFT sales, it is the world's largest place for crypto collectibles. It is also free to sign up and very user-friendly. Rarible is another marketplace. They have all sorts of NFT, any art, videos, collectibles, and music. They even have a tool to create your own NFT, which you should definitely check out by yourself. By using Rarible as NFT minting, you're able to deploy the NFT into the Rari token, which is much cheaper than Ethereum. If you want to play Axie Infinity, then you're able to buy an Axie on their own marketplace. Also, common and rare items are listed there. Although Axie has its own marketplace, you can still buy or sell your items at Opensea. NFT Rewind suggests that if you want to sell your art as NFT, then take that actionable step now. The world of NFTs is growing real fast. Now is the time to get to know it and be able to maybe even build a community out of it and sell NFTs through there. More and more artists are starting to use NFTs. Since it is fairly new, there are still a lot of opportunities ahead which are untouched. This was the video for today from NFT Rewind. If you did like the video, then don't forget to like and leave a comment. If you don't want to miss any further NFT, metaverse, and crypto news, then make sure to subscribe to NFT Rewind.